Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's begin! So, first of all, we want to expand the control center twice and then move our finger to the right. And right here in the top left corner, we should see Auto Rotate currently being set to off. This means that if you would go to application that supports both portrait and landscape mode, for example, let's go into Calculator, and we would try to rotate our device, we'll see that nothing is really happening. We only see a little icon in the corner, and if we click it, we do the rotation, but it's not really automatic, is it? It's just manual. So instead, let's make it automatic by expanding the control center once again, going right, and going into Auto Rotate. Now we can go and try to rotate our calculator once again. And as you can see now, it's working flawlessly. Of course, if you still have some troubles with the Auto Rotation feature, I would just advise you to once again go into Control Center, but this time head into the power button in the bottom left right corner and then hit Restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which, as you can probably tell, is responsible for screen rotation feature. And generally speaking, having a nice habit of rebooting your phone once in a while is very good and very healthy for your device. Yeah. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!